Hi, welcome on. So here we are solving one of the problems whether the number is even or odd. So if the number is even, we have to print weird. In the problem statement it is written, and then if the number is even and it lies between 5 or less than equal to 2, then we have to print it is not weird. Another condition which is required in the problem statement is whether the number is even and it is less than 20 and greater than 6, then also we have to print it is not weird. Else if the number is greater than 20, that is 21, we have to print not weird, and number could be anywhere in between 1 to 100. Okay, so whenever I give the command over here, you can see this is the problem statement, okay, where the constraint is defined that n has to be 1 to 100. Alright, so now if n is odd, print weird. If n is even in cults of the range 2 to 5, not weird. If n is even and in cults of range 6 to 20, print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, not weird. So first of all, we have created, actually they are taking the default input as 3. So if you're passing any value, or if you're even giving a print statement like enter any number between 1 and 100, then also it is not taking that input. So it is very weird, like they have auto-coded this. It is only taking the value as 3 and then only the results are successful. Otherwise your results are like it is getting compiled successfully, but then to clear this challenge we have to keep the input value as blank. Otherwise if I give it here anything like enter any number, it will not give me a success. Although the test will be successful if you run this code here, the compilation will be successful to give the results weird or not weird. Okay, so this is the solution where we have import math library, OS random number library to input any random number. Okay, raw input or using these basic and sys libraries. Okay, so maths for the mathematical operation, because we are going to perform the arithmetic operation to check whether the number is even or not. So I'm here performing the modulus operation, where I'm first of all declaring one variable n, wherein in that variable it is going to store an integer number. I'm asking the user to enter any number. By default the input number given is while performing the DQ check, or I would say the data quality check and test over here, it enters the number as 3, okay, which is an odd number. So it gives me the result as not weird. So in this basically code in line 13, what I'll be testing, if number is not even. So n modulus 2 is not equal to 0. It is not divided by 0. Okay, it is not divided by 2, and it is not so if it is not divided by 2, then we have to print it's an odd number and we have to print weird. Else if the number is successfully divided by 2, that means if it is an even number and it lies between anywhere between 5 and n, we have to print not weird. Similarly, if again n is a even number which is successfully divided by 2 and gives us the remainder as 0, modulus means the remainder is 0, okay, and it lies anywhere in between 6 and 20, or it is equivalent to 20, then again I'll print it is weird. Else I'm going to print if the number is greater than this range anywhere, I'm going to print it as not weird. So here when we run this code, it gives us a success. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.